Imagine how it would feel if your jollof rice turned out perfect and smoky like a pro. In this video, I'm going to take you through a very easy process with tips on how to nail your jollof rice every single time, no matter your skill level. One of the main ingredients for a tasty jollof rice is how you prepare your broth. I'll be using chicken for this. Feel free to use whatever protein of your choice. I'll go ahead and chop up one full onion. I'll then transfer my chicken right into the pot and season this with the chopped up onion with my dried herbs. I'll be using thyme, curry powder, paprika, oregano, white pepper, chicken flavor, salt, and Maggi cubes. I'll then go ahead and stir and combine these together and allow to simmer in its own juice for about 10 minutes without adding water. While this is simmering, let's prepare the bell peppers we'll be using for our stew base. I'll be using few tomatoes and lots of bell peppers. I'll go ahead and chop up some ginger. Ginger gives your jollof rice that aromatic flavor and also intensifies its smokiness. Also chop up some onion. Onion gives depth of sweetness in your jollof rice. You can use as much as you like. Cover and blend until completely smooth. Next, I'll transfer the blended bell peppers and tomatoes to the pot and allow this to cook until dry. After transferring your pepper mix to the pot, please do not stir or mix it up to avoid splashing all over. Next, I'll then check back on the chicken. After about 10 minutes, I'll then go ahead and add additional water. And here is my forgotten garlic. I'll add it in, stir together, and continue cooking until soft. Moving on, I'll start preparing my rice. I'm emphasizing on parboiled Basmati rice if you're using a Basmati. Soak it right in the hot water. I'll wash this for about 8 to 10 times. The goal here is to wash out as much starch as I can. I'm going to wash this until the water runs clear. By now, the bell pepper is set. I'll go ahead and scoop this out and set aside. I'll also go ahead and check on the chicken. Now our chicken is properly cooked. I'll go ahead and separate the chicken from the chicken broth. Set the chicken broth aside. Now we are all set, so let's go ahead and prepare our stew base. I'll go ahead and fry the chicken until it is golden brown. Also, if you're avoiding extra calories from frying, you can then opt for air fryers or oven grill. Next, I'll go ahead and filter the oil. This is the same oil I used in frying the chicken. Once my oil is hot, I'll go ahead and add in my chopped up onion and allow this to fry for about 3 minutes. I'll then add in the tomato paste and I'm going to fry the tomato paste for about 10-15 minutes. It's very important for you to fry your tomatoes very well to get rid of the raw taste and also to give your jollof rice that depth of flavor. After about 10 minutes, this is the outcome, and this is exactly what we are aiming for. I'll then go ahead and bring in the bell peppers, and I'll go ahead and fry this for additional 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'll then go ahead and add in salt, curry powder, white pepper, rosemary, chicken flavor, and bay leaves. Go ahead and stir this up. Allow to continue cooking for a few more minutes. Here I'll go ahead and add in some sweet basil leaves. I like the aromatic flavor this adds to my stew or jollof, but this is totally optional. Next, add in our chicken broth. Stir this up together to lock in the flavors and allow to cook for a few minutes. I'll then go ahead and scoop out some portion of the stew sauce and set it aside for later. Go ahead and transfer the stew sauce into the pot that I'll be using for the rice. Also add in our washed rice together. Now bring in our meat broth, mix everything together, and bear in mind here that the color of your jollof rice at this stage will reflect the outcome of the jollof rice at the end. I'll go ahead and top this up with a little water. Actually, you don't need much water to cook your rice. Seal it up with foil and allow this to cook on very low heat. Please click the like button at this stage if you've not done so, and thank you for doing that. I love you. After 40 minutes, our jollof rice is almost ready. I'll then go ahead and top it up with some butter. Also add up some chopped up onions and sweet basil leaves. Stir these up all together. Then bring in our stew sauce. Then top it up with the stew that we scooped out. Mix everything together. If you notice after 30-40 minutes that your jollof rice is burning, please let it burn. Jollof rice is supposed to burn. That is what gives it that signature smoky flavor you are missing. I'll then go ahead and cover this and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. And here we have it. Our perfectly made jollof rice is ready to serve. Please don't forget to click the like button and share this video. I love you. See you in my next video. Stay tuned.